Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into our channel. Today I am going to be doing an unboxing of a couple of indoor security cameras. I got them off of Amazon. They just arrived now and I'm eager to open it. Our brand name is, I believe, Arenti. So I looked on the Google reviews. Many people have purchased these and seem to be very satisfied with them. So I thought I'd give it a try. I'm gonna be opening it and trying to install probably one of it in my living room, so that way I can, during the day when I'm not home, have a look at what my dogs are up to with the mischief that they're always up to. So let's get underway with this unboxing. Okay, so I have this here. I'm going to get a knife or a blade just to quickly cut this open to show you guys. I've had a couple of other indoor cameras that I've installed in my house, but they've never seemed to work too well. They seem to lag, and when I did my research, these ones seem to be pretty good. Again, it was Arenti. It says Ultra HD 4MP indoor pan tilt Wi-Fi. So yeah, it could go up and down. The camera can go up and down and side to side. So I believe there's it says here, compatible with Amazon, Alexa, and Google Assistant, which is good. Pretty good there. Here's some details for you. It has night vision, and from what I've seen from my research, the night vision is pretty clear. Also, it has two-way audio. So let's say, for example, if I want to see my dogs, I could spy on them, and if I see one of them doing something bad, I could probably talk to them and tell them to stop it, which they probably won't listen to me anyways. There's the pan and tilt function. Now I believe you can put in an SD card, or you could upload it to the cloud storage. There's motion detection as well as sound detection and auto tracking, so it could move along with any object. So that's that there. Let's have a look inside. Just to give you some information here, if you wanted to pause it and read up on it, there's the code here, which I believe it says scan with the transparency app. So you can just scan that QR code and they'll download the app for you, I believe. So let's see what's in the box here. So there is the user manual, which it's nice, that basic user manual. It'll tell you all the different components of it, how to troubleshoot it, how to set it up. That's in there. Also comes with the recharging cable, USB, and I think this is micro USB A, type A. Comes with the wall charger here with USB-C. I believe this is if you want to attach it onto your ceiling, then what you can do is put this up facing towards the ceiling, put the screws in here that it comes with, and then I believe that it'll attach. You just attach it and screw it on the camera to this base here. So looking at this here, it's a nice weight. It's not too heavy, it's not too light. So here, this is what I was talking about. If you wanted to put it onto the ceiling, you put that in and then screw it, turn it to one side, and it'll lock in place. Again, this is for an indoor, and here you can see it's a pan, and there's a tilt function as well. So I won't be peeling this off yet until I'm ready. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to install the app and attach this probably, or maybe not to the ceiling, but maybe put it on a bookshelf or a shelf inside my living room, and we'll test it out. Okay, so here I'm gonna be plugging it into the back for the power source, and when I do so, there's a red light there. So at least that's working. There's a reset button here if you ever need it. So I'm just going to be putting this on this bookshelf here. Okay, so what I have done is I have installed the app. I've placed the camera up there, and I want to take you through a bit of the app here. It's pretty cool. I was playing around with it. So you can see me here. I'm waving. So there is, let's see here. Just turn down that. So there is a 360. First of all, if you want to increase this, you can double tap on that and it'll show the full screen. Otherwise, I believe you can click on that and it goes back. This is a cool feature here. There's a 360 monitoring, one-click patrol. So as you can see, it's gonna be spinning completely around. I'll hold this out here so you can see how it's going. And it's doing bit by bit and it's spinning around. Here I am waving. So that's a cool feature. So if you want to take that out, if you click that again, it'll return back to its normal position. See, it's going back to its regular position now. Right back to focus on me. And then here, there's motion detection. If you want to click on the motion detection, so it'll give you a notification as soon as when it detects motion. There you go. I don't know if you can see it, but it sent me a text message right here because it detected my motion there. So that's pretty cool. I like that. I believe there might be noise detection as well. So what other things were there? Just want to go through here. If you want to record, there's a record button there, and it will it actually saves to my phone. So that's pretty cool. I like that. Then you could take a picture. There's also a sound. You could turn off the sound if you don't want to hear it. And here is cool. This is a microphone. So if you hit this, then you can project your voice onto the camera. So like how I was mentioning earlier, if I want to communicate with anyone at home or my dogs, I could just hit this microphone button and it will be able to transmit my voice. This one here is if you want to have the original sound of your voice, or if you want to sound like a clown, or this one, there's a feature of sounding like an uncle. I'm not sure what that is. This feature here is kind of like a remote. So if you want to have a look there, if I want to move the camera to my left or my right, see, it will move. If I press it, you can see the camera moving and it's scanning as well. If I want to move it down, it will go down. If I want to move it up, it will go up. So I like this. It's very cool features. And it's pretty clear. I have to say I'm very pleased with the picture quality of it. So I bought a second one, so I'm going to be installing that as well. And I'll be probably putting that somewhere probably above the sliding doors. So if there's anyone who's entering the house, it will automatically detect it and send me a message. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and review of the Arenti camera, indoor security camera. Please remember to hit that like button, hit that subscribe, and hit that bell notification button so that you're always up to date on our newest food product and travel videos. So until next time, take care.